My name is Aisling Kelly and I studied nutrition with CNM in Cork. I was working in childcare for 10 years. I decided to change my career. I come from a background of complementary medicine. My mum's an osteopath. We grew up with herbalists and naturopaths anytime we were sick. So I always thought I'd go into something like that. And after seeing the CNM stand at a lot of different events and functions, I eventually went up and asked all the questions and got myself onto the course. My favourite things about studying nutrition with CNM would be the clinical application. So when I got my diploma in August of 2018, I was able to start a clinic straight away. I was able to go out and see clients straight away because I had the clinical practice that led me to have great confidence in working with people. I now, in the last year, have been able to move us into a new house that I wouldn't have been able to afford before. So that's probably one of the best things, is being more financially stable and able to provide for myself and my daughter thanks to CNM. It's more than just learning about how diet and nutrition can affect our health. It's a personal journey from the start to the finish. I'm so grateful to CNM for giving me an opportunity to go back to study, to become a graduate finally, and to start my own business, provide for my daughter and live my very best life.